And we make one scoop up and we carry over here so again, Junior. You see it? Our parents kill and we are dealing with him. Our parents kill and we are dealing with this plant, Junior. I'm sure to God say a skill and gum. We know skill and feel. The British them are working, you know. The British are working with Beenie man. Imagine, the British fly down last night in a farm this morning. You couldn't want it better. Acho? Touch it, touch it. Yeah, cut that kid there, Junior, let me see run back.
So guys, so we have put this skillet.
I'm not checking next month. I'm going to Nigeria and come back in. Don't charity. You tell her. You about it?
Oh, I never see it on the channel. Yeah, I really like his channel. He really promote people and he help people a lot. Color Smith is really good YouTube and he help people a lot. I love his channel. So a pack scale in a country. This is what make your seasoning to season up your chicken and your curry goat and all the meat them you eat, your beef, everything. Them thing, yeah. Look at the hills over there. See hills over there? Southfield, Junction, over them place there. That's where we're gonna go later on in the day. Farm nice, man. Look on that. These are string beans. See? String beans? That's how it blossoms. Can you see that? Beautiful. Then the beans are gonna come now from that blossom. See? They're pretty, like nice, beautiful.
Squeeze up.
Where's this up there? Oh, look.
Look on the one there, bud. Pick out that. Sure. Bud love squeeze up, you know, man.
Long time, it's a fresh, them are fresh now. Them are
fresh young one, them.
Them are really both nice.
No, man, look on that one there. Beenie, we have one there, so. Yeah?
Oh,
yeah.
That then before that one.
This is a sweet sup. Sugar apple, they call it in Caribbean island and South America. They call it sugar apple.
Nigeria, I said thing.
Alright.
All Nigeria, I said. They're not eating, you know?
Yeah, a lot of them not eating.
We Jamaican eat it.
Because Jamaican have no fear. Oh, look at that coconut jelly up there. Clay.
They get a beat, man. They come 2 months ago, it's broccoli like, whoa. They might get a beat, man.
These are little broccolis. When you do farming, that's what happens. Sometimes they get crap, sometimes it doesn't come.
One more.
Beautiful broccoli here, look.
300 pounds.
Broccoli plant.
Put some more.
This is the front yard of Beenie Man. It's very nice. Very, very, very nice. Look at the jelly, my favorite thing. And you know, later we're gonna get some of these jelly. See the jelly? Coconut. Yeah. So later on we are gonna get some jelly. And these are cocoa, I think. Cocoa. I think in the other Caribbean islands they've made this as callaloo. I'm not sure which one, if it's Guyana or Barbados or St. Lucia. I don't know, but yeah, I think they use this cocoa leaf for their callaloo, but we don't do that in Jamaica. We actually don't eat the leaves. We actually eat the what would you say, the ground provision, the fruit, whatever, like something like this, because you can see that bit grown a bit. This, yeah, This one is spoiled, but that's how it looks when we reap them. Beautiful. And now we have banana over here. And look, we still have some skeleton up here. It's a very big farm at his house. And this is the banana. Banana tree. And we all know that banana can only bear one set of banana, and after that we have to chop the tree down, and then it will spring up new ones like this, like these ones here. Those are the baby banana tree that's gonna grow up and become like this. These are organic bananas, no chemical, nothing. So yeah guys, this is a very beautiful farm. Look at this big, look at the flower, the banana flower. So basically this is how the bananas start to come out, and as you can see they use a stick to keep the tree up. The Jamaica we say catch it up, but yeah, so that it doesn't fall down, because the banana is now coming out and it has a lot of weight on it. So they use a stick like this to keep it intact. So that's how the banana is. That's the flower, this the flower bit. Yeah, and as you can see there, the banana is peeping out. This actually looked like a plantain. Yeah, this one looked like a plantain to me. But it's basically, that's how a banana grows as well. But this one looks like a plantain to me. So yeah. So guys, that's me on the farm straight after I come off of the plane. Like last night I came from the pony farm, and this is how they water the plants. Yeah. So that's the way it's been watered. And there's a sweet stuff up there, and the bird, I think the bird ate it. But yeah, the plants are being watered. Beautiful, beautiful farm. Things like this I love. So guys, stay tuned, and we go in another part on the farm again. We're gonna go and see them weigh the scallion. This is how they pack the scallion to weigh them. And this is string bean. Look, these string beans are so beautiful. Look, these are string beans. String beans. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Up. How much that weigh?
73.
73.
Empty 3 pound one bag weight. Put this on one side.
See how we do it at St. Elizabeth.
That makes sense. So Beenie one in here that is no man.
Probably Beenie man just a farm, but Beenie man and I pack it. I do pack
Every
it.
time I come on, I feel food.
I show him.
Me and you this morning. Me.
We're heavy.
Same 73.
Sunday last week, they was this small.
Oh, that means they grow very rapidly then.
Yeah. 6 weeks. You ready for the dinner table?
It's a nice little coop.
And it's not overcrowded.
Yeah, so that they will grow healthy.
Who did?
Someone stole your fish.
This one needs help.
Which one?
It's inside the blood.
Oh. Beenie man, look, your chicken inside of here. Beenie man, one of your chicken in the block. Oh, he coming out.
Was hiding.
Yeah, maybe, oh yeah, he flew out. Maybe that's where they go for little comfort.
Sorry?
So that's the chicken cape. Chicken. This is how you raise chicken in Jamaica. Yeah, not overcrowded, and it is very, very good. These are local chicken, and this a type of chicken people for eat. This is the type of chicken people need to eat. Local and healthy.
So Junior, this is the black cab driver.
Oh.
He was the best man in London.
Okay, okay.
That means you know London like the back of your hand.
Come on, because he...
Yes, and
Put the camera up on it. Put on the camera. I told Junior there, yeah? West London? North London. One a black cab and one work for Mercs. Yes, Junior, everybody hustle. For a man, man. Yeah, man. So, fertilizer out. The chop on and put the irrigation system.
Okay.
I try to pull on 1,000 pounds.
Yeah, I saw you bright and early. So, yesterday morning when I was going to Monday.
Yeah, we can have it. We can have a roll. We can
Yes, yeah, man.
Yeah.
yeah, look at them. They're so cute. Look at them. Nice, pretty puppies. Look at this one. Nice puppy. Oh, they're so cute. Look, this one is so pretty. Nice. 136 pounds. So this is the scallion, the way they tie them. They just put them in bundles and tie them and weigh them so that you can get your accurate weight. And I really enjoy this farm, you know. These are thyme, lovely thyme. Look, can you see that? They're pretty, ain't it? This is what you call thyme. Lovely, ain't it? They look so green and beautiful. So that's Beenie Man Farm with a pan. Look at the birds. They're so beautiful.
Beenie, come in. Let's lift up there.
Nice birds there.
Yeah, video.
Yeah.
Come on. That is it. Come on. Come on.
Come on, you will let us.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Beenie Man is hilarious, you know. Beenie Man Farm was fun. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.